Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio for your earbuds LG TONE Free. And firstly I will show it on Android device, and then I will move to Apple devices. So on your Android, open settings, and then you need to scroll down, need to find accessibility. I have it at the bottom, you may have it at the beginning, I don't know, it depends on Android phone. You can also use search to find it, and we click on it. Then you need to scroll down, and also I have it at the bottom. We need to audio adjustment. Click on it. And right here at the first line we have mono audio. So to enable it, just tap at the slider if the slider have empty background. To disable it, also tap one time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Now let's move to the iPhone. And on iPhone, also open settings, and right here we need to find accessibility. It's located under the general settings. Click on it, and then scroll down again. You need to find hearing, and right here we have audio and visual. Tap on it, and here it is. At the first line we have mono audio. To enable it, just tap at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, also tap one time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.